friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. Bharat Electronics Limited has issued a notification regarding recruitment of trainee engineer and project engineer. The number of vacancies for the post of project engineer for SATCOM and Cellular Communication SBU Ghaziabad is 8 for the discipline ECE and 13 for the discipline Computer Science. The upper age limit for the post of project engineer is 28 years. Educational qualification required for the post of project engineer in the discipline electronics is BE or BTech or BSc engineering in electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication with a minimum of 2 years experience in the relevant field. For the discipline computer science, educational qualification required is BE or BTech or BSc engineering in computer science or computer science and engineering or computer science engineering. The number of vacancies for the post of trainee engineer for KFON project is 5. The upper age limit for the post of trainee engineer is 25 years. Educational qualification required is BE or BTech in electronics or electronics and communication or ENT or telecommunication or EEE with a minimum of 1 year post-qualification industry experience in the relevant field. Number of vacancies for the post of trainee engineer for Advanced Defense Systems Navy SBU in the discipline electronics is 16. For mechanical 4. The upper age limit is 25 years. The location of posting is Mumbai. The number of vacancies for the post of project engineer in the discipline electronics is 16. For mechanical it is 14. The upper age limit is 28 years. The location of posting is Bengaluru. Educational qualification required for the post of project engineer and trainee engineer is BE or BTech in electronics or electronics and communication or ENT or EEE or telecommunication or mechanical. A minimum of 2 years of relevant experience is required for the post of project engineer. For the post of trainee engineer, a minimum of 6 months of relevant experience is required. For the post of project engineer, the engagement will be initially for a period of 2 years and it may be extended up to a maximum of 4 years including initial period. The remuneration is Rs 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 for the first, second, third and fourth year respectively. For the post of trainee engineer, the engagement will be for a period of 1 year and it may be extended up to a maximum of 3 years including initial period. The remuneration is Rs 25,000 in the first year, 28,000 in the second year and 31,000 in the third year. Selection procedure. Based on the marks scored in the qualification and relevant post-qualification experience, candidates will be called for an interview. A weightage of 75% is given for aggregate marks secured in BE or BTech, 10% for relevant post-qualification experience and 15% for interview. The application fee is Rs 200 for the post of trainee engineer and Rs 500 for the post of project engineer. Candidates belonging to PWD, SC and ST categories are exempted from payment of application fee. For the vacancies in ADSN SBU and KFON project, the last date for submission of online application is 2/8/2020. The link for submission of online application is given in the description box. For the vacancies in SATCOM and Cellular Communication SBU Ghaziabad, the last date for submission of applications is 17/8/2020. Interested candidates can submit the application in the prescribed format along with copies of the relevant documents to Deputy General Manager HR, Bharat Electronics Limited, Saibabad, Industrial Area, Ghaziabad 201010 by post or courier. The envelope should be superscribed as application for the post of project engineer, discipline. The candidates should also send their details through email in the format given in an Excel sheet to hrbel.gad@bel.co.in. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.